Namaskar. In this complex world in front of us, it is very difficult to stay safe. Only way out with us is to know more and more, analyze more and more, and design our routes. इस कॉम्प्लेक्स जीवन में ये जो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड या अजीबोगरीब दुनिया हमारे सामने है, इसमें बचकर चलना बहुत ही मुश्किल है। उसके लिए हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नॉलेज, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उसको एनालाइज करने का, उसको देखने का तरीका होना चाहिए ताकि हम उसके हिसाब से डिज़ाइन बना सकें। ये कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्ड है। हर चीज़ आपको धोखा देने को तैयार है, स्कैम तैयार कर रही है। तो इसमें हमें we have only one way out to have more and more information from books, from other sources, from our intellect, and to analyze that and design our own route of life. अपने जीवन के तरीके अपने आप बनाएं। जैसे I will show you that it is, I'm showing it, it is extremely difficult. It is extremely difficult. ये बहुत ही मुश्किल है to say in this word, stop believing television. In this word, it is very difficult to say stop believing television when everybody is sitting in front of that for hours together. We are believing that piece of glass and plastic when we don't know the source. One thing happens, different channel are conveying different things. Television, which is delivering scams, they are delivering scams, just like the fear of corona. Different channel, different things are conveying different things because they have a different backing. They are being backed or bribed by the people and all that, and a regular person is getting the information and is being trapped in a scam. आम आदमी को कुछ पता नहीं लगता। बात एक होती है, चैनल और टेलीविज़न पता नहीं क्या क्या दिखाकर उसको क्रिएट कर देते हैं। जैसे द कोरोना स्कैम, कोरोना फियर का स्कैम, द स्कैम ऑफ कोरोना फियर, कोरोना के डर का स्कैम। This corona fear scam, the fear scam of corona, has damaged the immune system of the world. Whole world is scared. When you get scared, your immune system start making different juices, and that gets weaker and weaker. Then you can catch anything. जब हमें डर लगता है, जब डर में फंस जाते हैं हम, तो हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम वर्क करना बंद कर देता है। डाइजेशन स्टार्ट डैमेजिंग एंड ऑल दैट। सो this whole system, we can only save ourselves by having more and more knowledge from different sources, not television. They are creating scam. They have a big backings. Big money people are there at the back of these televisions. One thing happens, the different channels convey in a different way. One is saying the total positive, the other is saying the total negative. How you can believe them? We will have to be wise to know more, analyze more, and design our own system to believe. What we can do, we can design our life by few minutes for this, few minutes for that, few minutes for that, few minutes for that. Just like we will have to take fresh air every day. We have to take fresh water every day. Never take cold water. Cold water is very bad for all the immune system and everything. Only room temperature or lukewarm water. The third, we will have to design whatever food, fresh food, is suitable for us, that can save us. So, more and more things we know, more and more better design we can do. जितना ज़्यादा हम जानेंगे उतना ज़्यादा हम अपने आप को सेफली अपने रास्तों को डिज़ाइन कर सकेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन ए किचन वेन वी हैव मैनी इंग्रेडिएंट्स, हमारे पास ये भी है, ये भी है, ये भी है, वी हैव मैनी थिंग्स इन ए किचन, वी कैन मेक more and more recipes whichever are suitable to us. Similarly, when we know more and more, we can design better ways, safe ways in our life for being saved from these scams. In scams, ये जो डर है कोरोना का या दूसरा या अभी कई चीज़ें और आएंगी, there will be many things coming because these scammers got success in this corona. Now when they are successful in one scam, they will go on creating more and more, because that is a money game, that is a power game, that is a control game. So we will have to be very wise. Majority of the people should know more and fight these scammers with our voice and all that, so that the regular human being can live proper life. So today we talked about the scam of corona, and we stop believing these television people and all that. We should see it, but we can analyze it. हमें इसको परखना है, अपनी नॉलेज से मोर एंड मोर नॉलेज को लेना है. और तीसरी बात, हमें अपनी लाइफ को हर चीज़ के लिए टाइम देना है. फ्यू मिनट्स फॉर दिस, फ्यू मिनट्स फॉर दैट, फ्यू मिनट्स फॉर दैट. ये नहीं कि एक चीज़ एक दिन कर लें और दूसरे दिन दूसरी चीज़ करें. नो, वी विल हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग every day. We can't do like that. We can breathe air one day and the other day we can take water. We will have to breathe, we have to take water, we will have to take food systematically every day. Same way we need to design our life every day. Few minutes for this, few minutes for that, few minutes for that. No doubt we are very busy, but minutes, we have minutes for ourselves to think and analyze, and don't get trapped into the scams. And we can start analyzing the news and all that, because we are being trapped in the scams. We are already there in that. So to save ourselves, we need to be very careful about air, water, food, and don't ever take cold water, iced water, or from fridge. Don't take that cold water. That one thing can save us. Namaskar and have a nice day. I will be there again in front of you very soon. Thank you.